Hello, Amanda here. Welcome back to Umageba. Yes, isiZulu. So in today's lesson, we will be focusing on the other alphabet. Okay, so we'll just focus on 5 letters. I am going to teach you how to pronounce or how to make sounds with the 5 letters, also including the vowels. You will see how the pattern goes, and I promise you it will be easy as ABC. Okay, so the first letter that we will be doing is B. Okay, so this is how it goes. Ba, be, bi, bo, boo. Ba, be, bi, bo, boo. Now let's come up with a word. Okay, so the word would be o ba ba o ba ba. As you can see, I have also involved a vowel. I have included a. Okay, the next one is C. A, e, I, o, u. A, e, I, o, u. And the word is I, I, I. I. Letter D. Da, de, di, do, do. Da, de, di, do, do. And the word is I, da, da, I, da, da. F. Fa, fe, fi, fo, fu. Fa, fe, fi, fo, fu. And the word I, fu. I, fu. The last letter G. Ga, ge, gi, go, gu. Ga, ge, gi, go, gu. And the word is o, go, go. O, go, go. Thank you so much. I hope you did enjoy today's lesson. In the next video, I will continue with the letters that are still left out. Thank you so much, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.